As we get the white flag, we'll let you know the best.
One more, bud. One more.
The best nationwide only driver, Brad Keselowski, right now in 10th. And it's right now, as we're looking a little bit further back, Kevin Harvick taking a peek. No, he's not going to be able to do anything with the 99 on this corner.
Yeah, talk about a couple other guys that are going to come back from Keselowski back there. Joe Nemechek's had a great day. He's in 11th, and J.R. Fitzpatrick back in 12th. Two guys really having good runs.
Right now, it's all about Marcus Ambrose, though. It looks like he's going to win here for the second year in a row through the bus stop chicane. Kyle just doesn't have enough for him. It's going to take a mistake by Marcus.
He hasn't made any, so that's hard to believe he's going to make one here in these next couple of turns. Just following up with what he did last year and putting himself in a position to win both races this weekend, guys.
Yeah, he's got a great cup car, too.
We got it, boys.
Don't celebrate too soon. You still got 2 corners to go. Whoa, Nemechek goes
These
around.
are 2 guys we were talking about having great runs, too.
Coming through turn number 11. The final time for the second year in a row. Kangaroo meet.
You are the man.
Marcus.
You are the man.
Ambrose wins.
And there he goes, taking the white flag with only 1 lap to go. Drivers have fainted, they've been collapsing, they've had pneumonia sniffs, they've had oxygen, but that man, all he's had all day is a steering wheel.
Nobody has ever won more races here at Darlington than 44-year-old David Pearson. He has won 8 previous races, 2 Southern, 6 Rebels, and he is on his way to race win number 9 at Darlington, the toughest place in the world to win. This will be his 104th career win. He's won over $2 million, and he's earned every penny of the winning purse today, and there's the checker for David Pearson. So David Pearson comes across the winner. In second place, getting the checkered flag right now is Bill Elliott.
White flag is out, coming down for the final lap. Larry McReynolds, Robert Yates, waiting patiently on pit road. They've been here so many times. There's been so many heartbreaks for this team in the last several years. But right now, Dale Jarrett trying to put it back. And we're seeing Morgan Shepherd come onto pit road. Remember, he's running a lap down in 19th. Can't make it all the way. Car began to choke up on him and sputter.
Dale Jarrett has put about 10 car lengths of distance between the 2 of them. It's just this last half a lap.
They've still got to get all the way back to the line. Doesn't look like that 28 has missed a beat yet. Here's critical turn coming up for Dale Jarrett, where he's had trouble earlier. Anything left in Jeff Gordon's number 24. 6-car interval between first and second spot. Ricky Rudd has come to 3rd. Musgrave is in 4th. Robert Yates looks on with Larry McReynolds as down comes the checkered flag to fall today on car number 28. Dale Jarrett has done it. He's won the Miller 500 at Pocono, Pennsylvania.
White flag in the air. Brennan Poole 1.5 miles away from victory tonight at Kentucky. He's made 6 starts in 2014, talking about Brennan Poole. 6th or better in 4 of those starts. Running a limited schedule this season because they couldn't find funding. And when he's not racing, he's spending time at the shop, perhaps spotting at the track. Anything he can do to stay around the competition. His patience going to pay dividends tonight. For the 6th time in his career, Brennan Poole gets the checkered flag in the ARCA Racing Series presented by Menards.
Richard Brickhouse is really turning it on. Last time around, 195 miles an hour. Richard Brickhouse in the Dodge Daytona, and he is really pouring on the coal here. The checkered flag is cocked and ready. Richard Brickhouse of Rocky Point, North Carolina, moving down through the west turn. The checkered flag is down, and your winner, Richard Brickhouse. Confetti going up from the crowd as Brickhouse takes the win.